Have you ever stopped to think about how strange and fascinating the tallest animal on the planet really is? The giraffe looks like it came straight out of another world. A massive neck, thin legs, a bluish tongue, perfect eyesight, and a powerful heart capable of pumping blood more than 2 meters upward. But how much do you really know about this iconic creature of the savanna? Today, you're going to discover a side of the giraffe that almost no one knows. A world of mysterious behaviors, impressive adaptations, and surprising curiosities that will make you see this giant with completely new eyes. They can reach up to 6 meters in height, the equivalent of a 2-story building. And the most curious part, almost 1/3 of that height, is just the neck. But even with such a colossal structure, the giraffe has only 7 cervical vertebrae, the exact same number you have, and that's where the mystery begins. How does something so tall not collapse? The answer lies in a unique combination of muscles, tendons, and elongated bones, forming a biological mechanism so efficient that no human engineer has ever managed to replicate it. If there's something truly bizarre about giraffes, it's their tongue. It can measure up to 50 centimeters. It's bluish, or almost black, and it's so strong it can wrap around the thorny branches of acacia trees without getting hurt. But why is it blue? Because the tongue is exposed to the sun for hours while they feed, and the dark pigmentation protects it from sunburn. Yes, even the tongue of this creature is evolutionarily perfect. Being tall isn't easy. For blood to travel from the hooves all the way up to the brain, a giraffe needs a heart weighing up to 11 kilograms, the highest blood pressure of any land mammal, a system of valves that prevents blood from rushing down too quickly. If a giraffe had the heart of a horse, it would simply faint the moment it lifted its head. And when it bends down to drink water, the body activates a hydraulic system to prevent a stroke. Nature does not play around. Male giraffes have a rather unusual way of fighting. They battle using their necks like biological hammers, swinging powerful sideways blows at each other. These clashes can reach brutal levels, with impacts strong enough to knock down a full-grown rival. And here's the detail that makes everything even more interesting. The winner usually earns the right to court the females. It is literally a duel of strength and endurance, and older males with heavier necks often have the advantage. You sleep more in one afternoon nap than a giraffe sleeps in an entire day. On average, they sleep 20 to 30 minutes per cycle, adding up to around 2 hours per day, and almost always standing up. Sleeping on the ground is dangerous. Getting up with a 6-meter-tall body takes time, and every second counts when predators are near. For a long time, we believed giraffes hardly made any sounds, but that isn't true. They produce grunts, whistles, infrasonic sounds, inaudible to humans, a nighttime hum, a mysterious call still being studied by biologists. At night, it's as if they communicate on a hidden frequency. Giraffes see far, very far. With their huge eyes and elevated position, they have a panoramic view of the entire savanna. The best natural sentinels, able to detect predators from kilometers away. Extremely important for other species, like zebras and antelopes. Where there are giraffes, there is safety. The birth of a giraffe is a spectacle. The calf falls nearly 2 meters to the ground the moment it is born. But this isn't an accident. That fall wakes up the lungs and stimulates breathing. In less than 1 hour, the baby is already standing, because in the savanna, staying still means dying. Just like our fingerprints, every giraffe's spots are unique. No 2 giraffes on the planet have the same pattern. And more, the spots help regulate temperature, working as thermal windows to dissipate heat. Every giraffe is literally a biological work of art. Despite all this grandeur, giraffes are in danger. In the last 30 years, their population has dropped by about 40% in some regions, a phenomenon researchers call the silent extinction. The reasons include habitat loss, illegal hunting, human conflict, climate change. The tallest animal in the world is shrinking before our eyes. Giraffes are more than tall and elegant creatures. They are an extreme example of evolutionary creativity. From the heart to the legs, from the tongue to the spots. They are gentle giants carrying millions of years of adaptations, living in a silent dance with the African savanna. And now, the next time you see a giraffe, remember, behind that calm appearance is one of the most complex, strong, and resilient organisms on the planet. And it's up to us to ensure that these giants continue walking under the African sky. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and keep exploring the animal kingdom with me. See you next time.